a big piece of breaking news which is coming in now. In fact, the Home Ministry has now handed over the entire investigation of the Delhi blast to the National Investigating Agency, which is the NIA. What will be the role of the NIA becomes extremely important. Remember, we have been saying that this is a multi-agency probe, but the first indication that this could be an act of terror is now coming in. Remember, the NIA will examine terror conspiracy under UAPA, identify masterminds, handlers and financing networks, and will coordinate with the state police and central agencies on interstate and cross-border links, is on the ground and is expected to take over the terror case. Okay. We have Jitendra Bahadur on the phone line joining us. So the Home Ministry handing over the probe to the National Investigation Agency. NIA will be now investigating and examining the possible terror angle. Jitendra Bahadur, if you heard me.
बिल्कुल एनआईए ने इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के लार्जर कॉन्स्पिरेसी देख रही है और इस वजह से एनआईए की तरफ से इस पूरे मामले को टेक ओवर किया गया और केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय ने इसके लिए आदेश दिए हैं कि एनआईए इस पूरे मामले की जांच करेगी। रेड फोर्ट के सामने जो वहां पर रेड लाइट है, वहां जो कार पर ब्लास्ट हुआ, इन तमाम चीजों को देखते हुए केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय ने ये आदेश दिए हैं कि एनआईए को ये पूरा केस सौंपा जा रहा है। कल से ही हमने देखा कि एनआईए की टीम स्पॉट पर जा चुकी है और पहले से ही वहां एनआईए की जो एफएसएल की टीम है उसने तमाम सबूत इकट्ठा किए हैं। अब केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय ने ये आदेश दिया है कि इस पूरे मामले की जांच एनआईए को दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से फरीदाबाद मॉड्यूल और इसके साथ साथ दिल्ली में कार में जो ब्लास्ट होता है उसके तार लगातार जुड़ते हुए दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। ऐसे में एनआईए को ये जांच दे करके गृह मंत्रालय को लगता है कि क्योंकि लार्जर कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो सकती है, इस वजह से इस पूरे मामले की जांच एनआईए को सौंपा जाना चाहिए। जो एफआईआर इसमें लोकल पुलिस ने दर्ज किया है वो पूरी तरीके से अब एनआईए को हैंडओवर किया जाएगा, क्योंकि सुबह ही हमने देखा कि उसमें यूएपीए की धाराओं के तहत एफआईआर दर्ज की गई थी। अब इन तमाम एफआईआर को एनआईए को हैंडओवर किया जाएगा और एनआईए जो है इस पूरे मामले की तफ्तीश बड़े स्तर पर करेगी।
जितेंद्र, अगर ये एनआईए पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन अब देखेगी तो सारे एजेंसीज के साथ वही कोऑर्डिनेट करेगी, because NIA is focusing on terror conspiracy, financing, handlers and interstate links. Okay, let's listen in to the soundbite which is coming in now. Okay, these are the visuals coming in from the ground zero. Okay, Munish, come in now. Let's try and understand the role of NIA. How crucial is this fact which is coming in now that the NIA will be probing into this investigation?
It was very much expected, because what we are seeing at this point of time is that at least 3 state police are involved to uncover what has happened at Lal Killa in the national capital. Number one is Jammu and Kashmir police. They raided in Faridabad, the premises where explosives were found, and they have made some arrests also in Jammu and Kashmir. They are trying to uncover the entire module and conspiracy. Number two is Haryana police, because the place from where these alleged terrorists were operating, the premises was in Faridabad. So Haryana police is already, conducting multiple raids in Haryana. And third one is Delhi police. So to uncover and to have a proper coordination, a need of central agency was very much needed. And NIA is a federal agency in the country which specializes in any terror-related activities. Now, why NIA? Because in past also, what we have seen, Maria, is that whenever there has been any terror module which has been busted by any agency, NIA is the specific agency which has all the details, not only about the nature of explosives, but the most important part is the terror module which have been used, be it Jaish-e-Mohammed, be it Indian Mujahideen, be it Simi. All those terrorists have been arrested by the National Investigative Agency, and it will be, for the NIA, it is going to be a very challenging task. But a proper investigation can be carried out as far as NIA is concerned, because when you coordinate with multiple state police, there is some amount of buffer which you have to face, the hurdle you have to face. But this case going to NIA, it was very much expected, and since last evening the preparedness of NIA was seen on the ground. They came here, they collected all the evidence. Now the forensic evidence which was collected by the state police, by other agencies, that will also be handed over to the NIA, and now a proper investigation will be carried out by the Federal Probe Agency which specializes in terrorism. Maria.
Significance of this case now being handed over to the NIA, this is in many ways because the NIA is the agency which probes terror-related activities. It is the agency which probes the financing, and also will be coordinating with various other agencies and state police, which is now looking into it. This is, of course, as we have been saying, India's federal counter-terrorism agency, and it was created after the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack, and it was created under NIA Act of 2008, which came into force on 31st December 2008, and hence its role becomes important. An agency which was created after the 26/11 Mumbai terror attack, that is the agency which will be now probing the Delhi blast which happened on 10th at 6:52 p.m.